Subscribe to my channel Coco TV 3R and hit the bell icon for the latest notification. Today we will learn about fruits name alphabetically. A for avocado.
A for avocado. Avocado is healthy.
Avocado. B for banana.
B for banana.
Banana gives us instant energy.
Monkey loves to eat banana.
C for cherry.
C for cherry.
Cherry is a tiny red fruit.
Juicy, tasty fruit.
D for date.
D for date.
We should break our fast by eating date.
Date.
E for elderberry.
E for elderberry.
Elderberry is tiny black fruit.
Elderberry.
F for fig.
F for fig.
Fig is healthy for us.
Fig यानी कि अंजीर.
G for grapes.
G for grapes.
1, 2, 3, 4. We are grapes.
H for honeydew.
H for honeydew.
Honeydew looks like muskmelon.
Honeydew.
I for Indian prune.
I for Indian prune. Indian prune. I for Indian prune.
Indian prune. J for jackfruit.
J for jackfruit.
Jackfruit is the largest fruit.
Largest tree fruit in the world.
K for kiwi.
K for kiwi.
Kiwi is green in color and outside is brown.
Kiwi is healthy.
L for lemon.
L for lemon.
I'm a lemon.
Sour lemon.
I am a lemon. I'm a lemon.
M for mango.
M for mango.
A mango.
Now fruits.
I'm a mango.
And
I'm a mango.
fruit. N for nectarine.
N for nectarine.
Nectarine looks like peach.
Nectarine.
Nectarine. O for orange.
O for orange.
I'm an orange.
Full of vitamin C.
I'm an orange. I'm a
P for papaya.
P for papaya.
Papaya is full of seeds.
Papaya.
Q for quince.
Q for queens.
Quince looks like a pear.
Queens. Q for queens.
R for raspberry.
R for raspberry.
Raspberry is a tiny red fruit.
Raspberry.
S for strawberry.
S for strawberry.
My favorite fruit is strawberry.
Red juicy strawberry.
T for tamarind.
T for tamarind. Tamarind. Sour fruit. Tasty.
U for ugly fruit.
U for ugly fruit.
Ugly fruit full of vitamin C also.
U for ugly fruit.
V for vanilla beans.
V for vanilla beans.
V for vanilla beans.
Vanilla beans. It's rare.
W for watermelon.
W for watermelon.
Juicy, yummy, tasty watermelon.
Red watermelon.
X for zigua.
X for zigua.
Chinese watermelon.
Look like watermelon but Chinese watermelon.
Y. Y for yellow apple.
Y for yellow apple.
It is a apple but yellow in color.
Yellow apple.
Z. Z for zucchini.
Z for zucchini.
Zucchini looks similar to cucumber.
Zucchini.
One. O-N-E. One apple.
One apple.
Two. T-W-O. Two balls.
Two balls.
Balls on the field go bounce,
The
bounce,
balls.
bounce.
Three. T-H-R-E-E. Three cats.
Meow, meow. Billy karti
Three
meow.
cats.
Four. F-O-U-R. Four dogs.
Dogs.
Now is Daddy care for bingo?
Five. F-I-V-E. Five elephants.
Elephants.
एक मोटा हाथी घूमने गया, बकरी की जान में जाके वो Six. S-I-X. Six ants.
Ants.
The ants go marching one by one, hurrah! Seven. S-E-V-E-N. Seven bananas.
Bananas.
A banana. I'm a banana. I'm a banana. Eight. E-I-G-H-T. Eight fishes.
Fishes.
मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है, हाथ लगा. Nine. N-I-N-E. Nine horses.
Horses.
चल मेरे घोड़े चल चल चल.
10. T-E-N. 10 hens.
Hens.
मछली रानी. मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है, हाथ लगाओ तो डर जाएगी, बाहर निकालो तो मर जाएगी. Say with me. मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है, हाथ लगाओगे तो डर जाएगी, बाहर निकालो तो मर जाएगी. जीवन उसका पानी है, हाथ लगा. मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है, हाथ लगाओगे तो डर जाएगी, बाहर निकालो तो मर जाएगी. Say with me. मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है, हाथ लगाओगे तो डर जाएगी, बाहर निकालो तो मर जाएगी.
मछली जल की रानी है.